Hi, I'm Chuck Fazell, sales consultant here at Hixson Ford in Alexandria, Louisiana. Today we're going to be talking about the Ford Co-Pilot 360 lane centering. In order to do so, we're going to take a ride in this newly redesigned 2019 award-winning Ford Edge Titanium. All right, here we are out on I-49. I know you're familiar with the lane keeping. Now with lane keeping, what it does, if you end up veering out of your lane keeping will ease you back in. With lane centering, it actually centers you between the two lines. Now, I know you're saying, Chuck, I'll never use a feature like that, but keep this in mind. Let's just say, for instance, you decide you want to go to an LSU football game and you're headed to Baton Rouge. The closer you get to Baton Rouge, the heavier the traffic gets. You got 18-wheelers flying by, you got people going by ready to get to the game. If you engage the lane centering by pushing this button, what's going to happen is it's going to keep you in the center. So that way you don't have to, it takes a little bit off of you so you can relax a little bit. Now, I'm not telling you to do this, but I'm going to show you something. I'm going to take my hand off the wheel and show you that it actually drives itself. Now this truck in front of us is perfect. He's slowing down, I'm slowing down. And as soon as he gets out of the way, it speeds up. Okay, so that was the Ford Co-Pilot 360 with lane centering. If you're interested in taking a closer look, come down and see us at Hixson Ford in Alexandria, where you pick it out and we'll work it out. Have a blessed day.